Hey rock stars, imagine this, getting paid to read books. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm sharing 5 legit websites where you can earn real money just for reviewing books. Let's dive straight in. Online Book Club. Here's how it works. Your first book review won't pay you, but sets you up for future earnings. From there, you can earn anywhere from $5 to $60 per review, depending on the book. Booklist. This platform is perfect for short reviews. Write 150 to 175 words about the books you read. No fluff, just genuine opinions. Earn about $15 per review. 6 reviews a month? That's an easy $90 in your pocket. Kirkus Reviews. If you're fluent in English or Spanish, this is for you. Submit 350-word reviews within 2 weeks of receiving your book. Payment rates are negotiated directly with the editor. Remember, deadlines matter here. The US Review of Books. This one's a bit more professional. You'll need a resume, writing samples, and 2 references. Reviews are 250 to 300 words long, and payments are monthly. Ideal for experienced reviewers, this platform ensures steady side income. Read the Discovery. This platform is commission-based. Post your reviews, share them on social media, and earn money from book sales inspired by your review. Example: if 50 people buy a $10 book through your link and you earn a 10% commission, that's $50 for 1 review. Now, rockstars, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to actually read or listen to the books and put effort into your reviews. Pro tip: use AI tools like ChatGPT to outline your review, but always humanize it. Most platforms won't accept AI-generated content. Oh, what are you waiting for? Grab a book, start writing, and turn your love for reading into a real income stream. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.